Until now, management of various problems such as potholes, lane loss, and falling objects that disrupt road traffic flow and increase the risk of accidents has been solely dependent on workers. This causes problems such as difficulty in responding quickly and exposure to accident risk of workers. We've always needed new and smart ways to improve these problems. Now, the network-based remote control one-stop solution Arion can solve it in a smart way. Arion Smart Drone Road Safety Management System consists of Arion IMC, an artificial intelligence mission computer, Arion GCS, which enables real-time remote control and monitoring of drones in remote view, Arion Hub, a web cloud-based service that provides drone mission record storage and visualization dashboard, and Arion CTW, which enables real-time monitoring of numerous drones. It is possible to respond quickly anytime, anywhere with accurate information and location of emergency situations. Arion can manage roads and check old facilities more intelligently, and artificial intelligence prevent road problems by providing countermeasures in real time. In addition, statistics and analysis data collected by drones can be checked on the visualization dashboard, increasing the ease of management. Not only that, Arion provides convenience to both citizens and managers by allowing them to receive complaints, judge on-site situations, receive accidents, maintain and manage safety more quickly and easily through the application. This innovative technology can be applied not only to road management but also to all areas where road construction, patrol, and direction inspection are difficult, creating a safer future. The smartest road safety management one-stop solution. Arion.